Hey guys, do you want to connect two or more Bluetooth headphones to your Mac or iMac so both play sound at the same time? Apple doesn't exactly make it easy, but there's a hidden built-in tool that does the trick. No extra software, no cables, no stress. Let me show you. First, pair both Bluetooth headphones with your Mac or iMac. To do that, go to System Settings, Bluetooth, and connect them one at a time. As you can see, I have both Bluetooth headphones connected. By default, only one will play audio, which is where the audio MIDI setup comes in. So, to create a multiple output device, open your Spotlight search right here, or simply press Command plus space. Search Audio MIDI Setup and open it. Click the plus at the bottom left and select Create Multiple Output Device. Now, check both of your Bluetooth headphones in the list. You might also see your Mac speakers. Skip that if you do not want the audio to play at the same time on your Mac. Once that is set, go back to System Settings, Sound, Output, and choose your new multi-output device. And that's it guys, you're now listening to two or more Bluetooth headphones at once. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.